Okay, so for today for math, we are doing the opposite of what we did yesterday. So our page looks pretty much the same, but now we're just doing the opposite of what we did yesterday. So we are now converting from the improper fraction and turning it into a mixed number. So to do this, you kind of have to do some dividing. So I'm going to put this one up here. So remember, this line right here means to divide. So we're really doing 44 divided by 12. So we can write that as 44. Hold on one second. Oh. As 44 divided by 12. And then we need to figure out how many times 12 goes into 44. So that would be 3. And 12 times 3 is 36. And then I can do some subtracting. And I can't do that. So this 4 would become a 14. 14 minus 6, sorry, is 8. And then that would be, this would have become a 3. Oops. 3 minus 3 is 0. So we have 8 left over. So to figure this out, our whole number is going to be how many full times 12 fit into 44, which is 3. It tells us up here. So 3 would be our whole number. And then we had what left over, which would be 8. And then that would be out of 12 because your denominator doesn't change. Okay, you had 8 left out of 12 that we were talking about to start. You could simplify 8/12, but for today, you don't have to. You can just leave it like that. So I'm going to do the 2 and 3 with you, and then you're going to do the rest. So this one, we are doing 5 divided by 3. So 5 being divided by 3. 3 fits into 5 once. 3 times 1 is 3. If I subtract, you get 2. Sorry about my cat on my shoulder. So then I'm thinking how many full times, or what's my whole number? So how many full times 3 went into 5, which is 1. And then what was left over is 2. And then out of 3, because my denominator doesn't change. Okay, so that one would be 1 2/3. And then the last one, we're doing 39. This line means to divide by 4. So we're doing 39. And we're going to divide it by 4. So I want you to think about this one for a minute. So how many times does 4 go into 39? What do you think? That would be 9 times. And 4 times 9 is 36. And then we subtract. 9 minus 6 is 3. And then 3 minus 3 is 0. So how many full times did 4 go into 39? Well, that would be 9. So 9 is our whole number. And then 3 was left over out of 4 is our denominator. So our answer would be 9 3/4. Okay, so I'm going to leave those examples there. You need to do the rest of the page. And I will put this on show before you. And then that's all you need to do for math.